Imperfect lock sport. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the picking of the Zenith lock. Now I don't know much about this one in particular. I haven't been able to identify it. If anyone can help me, please let me know anything you can about the Zenith lock. It's 50 millimeters across from side to side, 78, so I've taken to calling it the Zenith 5078. For its size, it's actually quite thin, and it has a really small keyway. There's the key right there. Now, my understanding of Zenith as a company was Australian made. Within the last 10 years anyway, it's been bought out by the American company ITW Proline, and they're no longer making locks. They're only concentrating on the Lane branded locks. That's my understanding. The tension tool I'm going to be using is a wiper blade. I'll be using the rigid end, although I did use the flexible end in practice. It's 2.4 millimeters across. I'm going to be using a hook, which came from a Chinese bulk pack, Secure Pro #1. So, tension tool in place. I'm going to take the tension off and feed the pick all the way through to the back, feeling for the actual pins. Now it's going to make a total liar out of me. Now I've got the pins. And there we have the Zenith lock that I've come across secondhand with the Secure Pro #1 and the tension tool that I've made myself. If anyone has any information regarding the Zenith lock, please leave a comment below. And thank you for watching Imperfect Lock Sport.